Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can you believe it? This is Delta Executor for iOS and Android. I'm going to show you how to get it without a computer, so let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, guys, I'm just joining this game just so you guys can see. Look at all the settings. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it onto your device. So let's get straight into the video. So this is super cool. So as you can see, we got all the options. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So this is super cool, guys. It actually works. So guys, if you want to get Delta Executor, now you know. The secret method is here. So this is crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super cool. So yeah, I mean, I'm not really involved in anything else. I mean, Delta is the best. So to do this, we need to go to the website blocksnova.net. So once you're on this site, there's going to be a button that says Get Delta. So you just want to press that and you can read all about it. I mean, this is super cool. So yeah, you can read it right here as you can see. So they got tons of information, guys. So I'm just going to press the button that says Get Delta. And then before it loads, it's going to ask for your username. So you just have to type in the username right here as you can see. So I'm going to press Continue. And then it's going to load up. So it's just going to search the Roblox database. So I'm going to press connect and now it's going to load. So as you can see, it says user found. So it says import Delta. So I'm going to do that, and then it's going to say what script do you want. So the script doesn't matter actually. So I'm going to press continue and now it's going to load. So as you can see, it says API connecting. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load. So it's loading right now, so we'll just give it a second. So you can see it says I'm not a robot. So I'm just going to press that and it should tell me that I already have Delta Executor on my device. So it worked. So as you can see, it says you already have it installed. So this is super cool. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But that's how to get Delta Executor for your device. So this is super cool. So be sure to try it out. So yeah, this actually works. So as you can see, I got all the settings there. So this is super cool. So be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. If you guys want to get Delta Executor for your device. So this is super cool. There's no jailbreak involved or anything. So you guys should be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool. And it's totally working. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. See you guys later. But yeah, look at all the settings here. So this is super cool. So it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. So yes, it's super amazing.